Welcome to our detailed review of the Xbox Series X, one of the most powerful gaming consoles available in 2024. If you're looking to dive deep into what this next-gen console has to offer, from its jaw-dropping performance to its extensive game library, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the Xbox Series X's hardware, design, features, and performance to help you decide if it's the right fit for your gaming needs. Let's start with the Xbox Series X's power. Powered by a custom AMD processor with a Zen 2 CPU and RDNA 2 GPU, this console offers true next-gen gaming. With 12 teraflops of GPU power, it delivers impressive graphics that are hard to beat, providing smoother 4K gaming and the ability to run at 120 FPS, which is a major leap from the previous generation. You'll notice the difference immediately, especially with games that support ray tracing. It also supports up to 8K resolution for those with compatible TVs, although 4K is the sweet spot for most gamers. One of the standout features is the quick load times. Thanks to the 1TB NVMe SSD, your games load faster than ever. With the Xbox Velocity architecture, you're looking at near-instantaneous load times, which makes a huge difference when you're switching between games or respawning during intense multiplayer matches. Gone are the days of long waiting times, and that's a big win for those of us who value speed and efficiency. The design of the Xbox Series X is another talking point. At first glance, it's a large, boxy console, but don't let the size fool you. It's designed to keep things cool and efficient. The console is virtually silent, even when running high-intensity games. It's a simple, understated design that blends well into most entertainment setups, though it's a bit taller than the Xbox One X, so you'll want to ensure you have the space for it. Now, let's talk about the Xbox Series X's ecosystem. It's all about Game Pass and backward compatibility. The Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription is one of the best value propositions in gaming today. With over 100 games available to download and play at any time, including all the latest Microsoft exclusives on day one, it's a dream for gamers who love variety and aren't keen on paying for individual titles. You also get access to EA Play, which brings even more games to the table. The backward compatibility is a major advantage for the Xbox Series X. Not only can you play Xbox One games, but also many Xbox 360 and original Xbox titles, with performance enhancements for older games. This is great for players who have a library of older titles or want to explore some classic games with updated visuals and better performance. Performance isn't just about raw power, though. The Xbox Series X introduces some amazing features to enhance the overall gaming experience. The smart delivery system ensures you're always playing the best version of a game on whatever Xbox console you own, so there's no confusion about upgrades or versions. It also supports Quick Resume, which allows you to jump back into multiple games instantly, making it easier to pick up where you left off without the hassle of menus or waiting for games to load. When it comes to controllers, the new Xbox wireless controller has some key improvements. It's more ergonomic, with textured grips and a new share button for easier screenshots and videos. It's not a radical change from the previous version, but it feels slightly refined, with a better grip and more responsive buttons. However, no console is perfect, and the Xbox Series X is no exception. While it has an impressive array of features, some might argue that its exclusives still lag behind PlayStation's offerings. Also, the physical disk drive might not appeal to those moving to an all-digital future. Additionally, the console's large size might be an issue for those with limited space. In conclusion, the Xbox Series X is undoubtedly one of the best gaming consoles on the market in 2024, offering unparalleled power, backward compatibility, and a fantastic ecosystem with Xbox Game Pass. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, the Xbox Series X is built to deliver a next-gen experience that's sure to impress.